Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 17 Pro Max and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find Sounds and Haptics. Then we have to localize the section ringtone, which is called ringtone, and here we've got the pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. Moreover, here you've got the tone store, and after tapping on it you will be transferred to the tones which you can download, of course if you've got the internet connection. I've got some problems with mine, but basically you will be able to download something new. At the top you've got also the haptic, so you can decide whether you'd like the vibrations to be synchronized or choose some pre-installed vibration options. But let me focus on the ringtone. Basically, all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it. So, for example, in my case, Daybreak or Kettle or Milky Way. Basically, we've got a lot of options to choose from. And basically, if you will decide that you want to use the specific ringtone, so I will pick maybe something like that. All you have to do is to make sure that it is marked and then go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.